Now we'll discuss the summary or the plot. Through the text, when we read the text, we know that the author, he is in an army camp and he's getting training in a army camp, जहाँ पे वो एक obviously group of pirates होते हैं and the privates होते हैं. तो जो the private is a rankless soldier like like not those soldiers the end. Start. So in the summary, we know we'll discuss the plot. So here we know that the author, he is in army. He is getting training for. He's in a training camp, and also he is a private along with many other privates, and private is a soldier without rank. So basically, when people, like when they enter army, so they are given this rank, private, which is if they are a soldier but they don't have any rank, so they are called privates. So he is also a private and he is in a camp, and he meets this guy this fellow private whose name is Private Quelch. So when he meets him, so he comes to know about this thing. He is very keen on reading, and he's very hardworking when it comes to knowledge and stuff, and he's a very knowledgeable person. He knows things prior जो उनको शायद इस ट्रेनिंग कैंप में बताया जाएगा, उससे पहले ही उसको बहुत सारी चीज़ें पता थी. हाउ टू यूज़ अ राइफल, मतलब what are the interiors and what are the the substances which are used to make a grenade and stuff. So basically he knew things about what he was going to do. So और इस चीज़ पे he was not humble, he was very arrogant because he knew all of those things. So he used to point out to the other people, to other privates, that you are going here wrong and you're saying wrong, and this is not the right thing. This is the right. This is not the right thing, and that is correct. So basically, he was very arrogant, and he thought that he knows everything, and he's above all the other privates. So basically, he was under this impression. So initially, the authors with his friends, when they met with him, and in their initial days, they used to get intimidated by him because they knew that he knows things and he is very intelligent and he is very hardworking, because they saw him like reading रात में जग के training manuals को read करना, so that the next lecture जो भी उनका morning में होगा, जो भी training session होगा, उसके बारे में उसको सब पता होगा. So in a way, he was a very hardworking man. He wanted to do it, and he knew what he was doing. But it was not put in a correct way, because he read it and he knew that he knew that he knows things, and then he used to badger the teachers and the in charges and the sergeants with very typical questions. So it happened जब उनका initial training sessions में when they had this training rifle के ऊपर by the sergeant who worked in Northwest Frontier. Northwest Frontier is a part which was under British rule, and now it is in the modern Pakistan. So he had this Northwest Frontier ribbon thing, indicating that he had worked in Northwest Frontier. So he was a very respected man, and he was giving this lecture on rifle, जो वो बता रहे थे rifle को use करना, and जब वो rifle की barrel की speed बता रहे थे, then he interjects, this Private Quelch interjects, and he says कि the correct figure, that not 2000, the speed is not 2000 feet per second, but a very particular number, 2440, which was in a way unnecessary, and it was just a way of showing off that he knows things. So which just intimidated, or with just like the teacher, he didn't like it. So he continued with his lecture, but in the end, when he asked questions in सारे class से या private से, so he intentionally badgered Private Quelch with the questions, मतलब thinking that there must be a point जहाँ पे उसको शायद कुछ नहीं पता हो, and but all those questions, the badgering, Private Quelch, he took it as a glory because he knew each and every answer, and he thought, and then he in a way thought that he has won this argument, or he has outshone the sergeant. So it was like that. But also he was way full of energy all the time, which was kind of an irritating thing for other fellow privates, because after doing all those extra physical training and walking for 30 miles straight, when सब जब ये अपना training session complete करके, when these guys used to sit and talk, then they were relaxing, he used to come and say, what about like, let's just sing a song and stuff. So which was a very irritating, because they have worked like for the whole day, and then he expects all of them to be full of energy, which was not possible. So his enthusiasm was a little bit irritating for other privates also. It was also like that when he saw that some other person from his class is getting is getting some appreciation from their teachers, or from their sergeant in charges. He basically he just took this the opportunity to outshine them, or to just make them think that it was not a big deal, which was wrong in a way. He had this dream, or he had this goal, that he wanted to become a commissioned officer which is commissioned to the army, and win a stripe. That stripe means showing, stripe means that you have become an army officer now. So it was his dream to become a commissioned officer and win a stripe अपनी class में सबसे पहले, so that he can outshine all the other privates. So all of this, which when he used to do all of this, so he earned this nickname. His fellow classmates used to call him the professor, because apparently he knew everything. So, and whenever if someone asked him like, why, how do you know all of this, so he used to say this very arrogantly, that it's a matter of intelligent reading, that I read intelligently and I know stuff. So this shows that he was very arrogant. And also one fine day this happened, that a sergeant came, that a corporal came, Corporal Turnbull, who was very famous for his because he was a great soldier, and all of the other privates used to worship him, used to look up to him. He was their idol, and they wanted to attend his class and talk to them, because but he was an ideal for these guys. So they had this it was a famous thing, known, but Corporal Turnbull was known for this thing, that you can just hammer nails into him and he won't like budge, or he won't know. He was this strong. So यहाँ पे बताया जा रहा है कि basically ये डिपिक्ट किया, ये बताया गया कि he was very very strong, and he was a very good soldier, and he उनको कोई हल्की फुल्की जो भी चोटें उनको वो शायद फील नहीं होती. तो जो ऑथर हैं और उनके जितने भी फ्रेंड्स थे और उनकी जितनी भी क्लास थी, वो कॉर्पोरेट टर्नबुल को एक आइडल की तरह दिखते थे. तो उनकी जब उन्होंने एक सेशन लिया, तो तब जब उस सेशन के अंदर ही वाज टेलिंग अबाउट द ग्रेनेड्स, कि basically the lecture was on grenades, and he was talking about grenades. So he was telling about the fragments outside the grenade. So here Private Quelch comes in and he says that there are total 44 fragments. So which was not correct, because he interjected in between the lecture, and Corporal got offended, Corporal didn't like it, and he got offended after this thing that Private Quelch said. He said that maybe you should not take this lecture in the particular way you are taking. You should take it in another way. The way in our earlier, trainers or our earlier instructors have given us in the camp, which was not at all correct, or it was a kind of derogatory thing. So Corporal Turnbull took things into offense. He got offended. तब उन्होंने बोला कि why don't we reverse our places and you give this lecture and I will listen to you. So Private Quelch knew that this was his his time to shine, and this was his glorious time. He took up the podium and he gave a fabulous lecture. He gave a marvelous lecture on the grenades and how to use them and the components of the grenades. So when he got over with it, he was very proud कि he has given a lecture जो Corporal Turnbull को देना था, and Corporal Turnbull gave him a chance to give a lecture in his place. So he thought that Corporal Turnbull is very impressed by him, but nobody knew the truth. So after this, after the lecture पूरा जाता था, Corporal Turnbull tells all the private to fall in the line and stand. So he just says that the commander has asked him to pick up a private for a very important job. So Quelch knew that this is his reward time, and he'll get the reward and he'll get this important position. And obviously all the fellow privates also thought that the Quelch will be the person जिनको तो Corporal Turnbull चुनेंगे. But he says this he says that he has to choose a private, and he takes a 2-second gap, and he says for the permanent cooking duties in the mess, and I have chosen Private Quelch for that. So it's like it's in a way it's his punishment which he gets, the Quelch gets, because if he gets the permanent cooking duties, if he's in charge of the cooking department, he won't be able to earn a stripe, or he won't be able to become a commissioned officer ever again in his life, because that is a permanent job, and he won't get to fight, or he won't get to become a officer with a stripe. So it is in a way a punishment, and in a way it's kind of destroys his dream, और उसका सपना वहीं खत्म हो जाता है, क्योंकि अब वो ऑफिसर नहीं बन पाएगा और वो कोई कुकिंग ड्यूटी में रह जाएगा. So and that was the moment where the other fellow classmates knew that this was his punishment, and this is about time that he's got his punishment, and maybe this will teach him this lesson, that he should not mess with everyone and anyone. So he should check his words, and it was a kind of a joke for the other privates of their class, because they knew that his dream is over, and now they won't be able to see the professor. They'll be relieved that he is assigned in some other department, and there will be no one to badger and pester the instructors, or disturb or interject the instructors when they are lecturing. So and this happens, and after some days, when the author along with his friend is walking through the mess, he listens to this monotonous tone. He listens to this tone of arrogance, and he peeps into the room, and he sees Private Quelch. He is shouting or yelling or telling the cooks that it was not a correct way or a appropriate way to peel the tomatoes, and because this peeling of the tomatoes will the potatoes in this way will lose their vitamins, and he is shouting and he is saying stuff. So they come to know that ये जो कॉर्पोरेट टर्नबुल के साथ जो उसका एपिसोड हुआ था has left no impact on him, and he doesn't realize this thing that he is wrong and he shouldn't be so arrogant about things. So by seeing this, they realize that nothing has changed, and he and his friends, they just walk from that area. So basically, this chapter says that a man who is given a particular punishment, who is shown that you shouldn't be so arrogant about things, otherwise you lose what you want very desperately. You're working hard for, you lose your dream, but still he doesn't learn anything from it, and he still continues to be the same, to be the same person, or be a obnoxious, arrogant person which he was.